accommodations used to be very safe and enjoyable before, but with the way things are happening nowadays, it is no longer safe as it used to be. So do this to reduce the risk of hotel wahala. Don't say that this video is not for you because you don't have anything to do in any hotel accommodation. That you are not lodging today doesn't mean you are not going to lodge tomorrow. Even if you are not the one, it might be your friend, your family member, or your colleague. So do well to share this video to get to each and every one of them, because the way Kpeku, Bob, and Gogia take the waka nowadays is so alarming. And some of those videos are caught through hidden cameras in those hotels and some other places. And it can happen to anybody. It can happen to those who went there to lodge innocently, and to those who naga atanwa. So ibu siere nwa ga ata tasiama puta ticha ikewa eruzie tomorrow ebi na-eme mpụ na agwụ gị na nwa gị akpawazi anya so make sure you share this video to save someone out there. Now, having said that, number one is to always pray to your God for guidance and protection, because prayer is always the key. Secondly, as you are about to step into that hotel, check the billboard or anything that is bearing the name of the hotel and store it in your head. Also take a picture of the entrance of that hotel. You get why. After that, you step into the hotel and meet with the receptionist, which will lead us to the number 2. Then they are going to issue you a receipt. After that, you check the name on the receipt and compare it with the name you saw before you enter. If it is not the same name, ask questions or you do about turn and look for another hotel. But if it is the same name, take the picture plus the former picture you took. You send it to your family members or your friends so that they will know where you are in particular. And to further explain this thing, I am going to play a voice note of someone who did not check this name. So listen to it, but as you are listening, be clicking on that share button.
So this kind of thing happen say for Lagos. That's why I come one place for Ajah Estate, go Lojo, so that tomorrow I go meet my people there for business where I find come. Now I enter the hotel, they can't go give me receipt. As you finish, I go like that. My friend come, they call me, say make I give a location. Say tomorrow, say then go come meet me for that place. Now I can't carry the receipt to then give me. Snapper, send them, give them, come sleep. In the morning around 9 o'clock, come on. So they come, they call me, say then they for front of the hotel. Now me I come dress, I come outside. I come say which hotel, which front of the hotel? Say we will say I dey front of the hotel. He say that be Spring Rosy Hotel. Now I say I can't go look my phone. I can't turn, I can't look. Can't see the name of this hotel where they no be this receipt then give me, so they fit carry another hotel receipt come they give me for this place. Me I come find and say that receipt safe na one hotel where they for mainland.
Now, thank God nothing happened, but peradventure, if something bad happened to him, there would have not been any trace of him or where the incident happened, which is the reason why we should always be careful and know what we are doing and make sure we do it right. Number 4, when you step into your room, lock the door and leave the key in the padlock. If you do it that way, nobody can be able to open the door with a spare key from outside. But if it is those ones that have a digital lock, look for something and keep close to the door, so that even if you are sleeping and somebody open it from outside, it will make sound and wake you up from your sleep. Then you can face whatever it is at the door. Then after that, you will switch into number 5. But this number 5, I am going to divide it into A and B. The number 5 is to inspect your room as you enter. Now the number 5A is to check for exhibit. We have had stories where EFCC and DLA burst into a hotel room and saw something and picked the person that is inside the hotel room and take him or her out without the hotel attendants doing anything. So always check for those exhibits and see if you can get one out there. Then if you want to check under the bed, check on top of the bed, under the pillow, on your fridge and every other corners there, and see if you can get anything from there. But if you cannot see that, also check inside your wardrobe. We have even had a story too where there is a door leading from the wardrobe outside the room. So check for those kind of door. If you see anyone, raise alarm and possible request for a change. Now after that one, we switch into number 5B, which is checking for camera. Some people have developed this attitude of whenever they see mirror or more come see show. For women, you go they see, now so they go they show everywhere, different style. God, and if you did not check, you might be showing them different viewing angle of your bob and peku. And for men also, if you they show, they check yourself, they watch yourself out, they touch things. Now show you, they show them different viewing angle of yourself. Make sure you always switch off the light and use your phone camera. Check all those mirrors, whether in the toilet or in the room or anywhere. Check different corners and different places and make sure that such a thing is not there. Then after doing that, the number 6 one is do not open your door to anybody in the middle of the night. If there is any issue, put a call across to the receptionist or the people who are supposed to handle those issues. If they are not receiving your call, do not go out at the middle of the night. Maybe suddenly your AC off or your light go off, you want to go outside and check what is happening. It is very wrong, because that might be a strategy to pull you out from your room so that you can come outside. Do not go out at the middle of the night. If such a thing happen, endure it. Nothing will happen to you until the daytime. When the day break, you can go outside and sort whatever you want to sort out there. Then after that, don't forget to pray again, because like I told you, prayer is always the key. Now, do not be stingy with this information. Click on that share button, like, and let me know what you think on the comment section. Also, click on this follow or subscribe for my page so that you will get more updates whenever I'm dropping another video. So, thank you guys for watching and for listening. I'm gonna see you on the next one. God's will. Signing out.